Today we are unboxing the January Mani Me box, and as always it comes with a sticker, and now they have little fan-made poems on the back. They're super cute. They always come wrapped in a really cute tissue paper from Maniology, and you always get these card inserts that are the Maniology Mani and Me cards, and they just give you a brief summary of what's in the box, and they give you a mani idea, and this one is the rose tapestry, and it has a step-by-step guide on the back of it and instructions to show you how to achieve this mani they gave you. You get 2 exclusive stamping plates to the Mani Me box, which are very beautiful. I love this subscription box. It's so fun, and you get 2 new exclusive stamping polishes, only exclusive until they kind of get done circulating this box, and then they'll be available for you to buy unless you get the box. And it's a beautiful gold, creamy gold shade and a purple, and you get this free gift with this box, and they are these golden nail stickers, which are absolutely gorgeous. You get 3 sheets of these, and they lay pretty flat on the nail. They're gorgeous. And the 2 exclusive plates, a close-up of these, but the footage I took, there was a glare, so you really couldn't see them. And I'm using one of the Maniology stamping polishes that we got in this box to paint my nails, and it's this like beautiful golden shade. I absolutely love it. It's stunning. And I'm gonna go over quickly what is actually on what stamping images I use on my nails. And I did both hands somewhat differently, but somewhat the same as well. So I'm just kind of showing the images that I used, and I just filled them in, and I used a pastel color palette for this manicure as well. I just thought it really went well with it. And one of the polishes not shown that I used to fill in is Sage from Maniology stamping polishes. I just didn't need that green in the clip. And I'm going to pick up this image of this beautiful lady here. I'm going to take my lint roller and get off any of the excess polish that don't belong. I'm using these Eye Glow mini nail polishes, and I'm going to use that yellow and the blue, but I did use the pink and the flowers. I'm going to use my Maniology brush that came in last month's box, so the Mani Me December box. And I'm just going to fill in her hair. I just thought they would look lovely with blonde hair. The 2 ladies I chose to put on my nails, and they absolutely do. And I'm just quickly filling this in. This is sped up. I'm going to take the blue and I'm going to fill in her dress top here, and I'm going to fill in her bonnet. I am just filling that in basically. Here's what the image looks filled completely in. You're going to want to allow this at least 30 seconds to 1 minute to dry. So we're going to set her to the side and start working on our nail art stickers. These are easy to peel off. I would say that don't be too rough with these because they could rip. They, like I said, they do lay pretty flat on your nails. I'm going to trim the sides of them with scissors, and I am just going to make it fit the nail. So I'm using the Maniology sticky nail base to apply a coat to my nail that I'm going to apply the stamping image that we filled in, because now it is dry, and I let the sticky layer get tacky, so about 30 seconds, and then I press my image down on my nail, and this helps because the image is dry to adhere it to the nail. And there she is, and those flowers are gorgeous. I'm going to use the Maniology smudge free top coat to apply a layer on top of the stamped images that I've done to prevent any smudging, because, you know, why would we want to mess her up? And I'm using the Sally Hansen Color Therapy top coat just to do a layer, and I do let the layers dry in between. and of top coat on top of my nails. This is my preferred top coat right now. Gorgeous manicure, lovely box. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing and nail art idea as well. I thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. The lighting in this video kept going in and out, and I kind of wanted to share with you guys why. Look at this, we're in the middle of a snowstorm, so the lighting, I used natural sun lighting, and so the light was in, out. But isn't this gorgeous? We got, I think, probably 8 inches of snow, and which is a lot. So I just wanted to share this beautiful scene with you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching.